Hello, teacher. Using transportations. 1. Get out of the car. 2. Get in for a taxi. 3. I drop the children off. 4. Get on the train. 5. Miss the trains. 6. Catch the bus. 7. Pick up more passengers. 8. Change the bus. 9. Take the bus. 10. Get off the bus. Thank you, teacher.